Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Professional Cosmetic Organizer Makeup Train Case with Mirror 2-layer large size makeup artist box with adjustable shoulder for makeup brush set hairstyle nail beauty tool. Hot pink. It's big enough to hold everything except my eyeshadow palette and yet is small enough to fit under my sink in a narrow cupboard. Fits a lot of makeup. Was great for helping me organize my makeup to bring to my best friend's wedding in April. This case is so versatile, you can fit more stuff in here than you would ever think, and it has plenty of options for organization. It is good for traveling to take a few things with you, also for doing demos of products like Mary Kay. Super sturdy. Love this. Plan to purchase a few more for my daughters. You won't be sorry if you purchase this. It doesn't take me longer to find the makeup any more than it does to put on. Low great case, no issues. It all fits in here. It's easy to move around, can travel with it, and it doesn't look like a disaster. Likes if you have tons of makeup, like to carry a lot of makeup with you everywhere you go. This is the bag for you. Very sturdy travel case and great for organizing. This makeup bag is amazing. It's thick and sturdy so your makeup isn't flying and breaking everywhere, and the compartments are removable so you can change it up. This is a beautiful organizer, and the idea that you can rearrange the way you put your items in is a fantastic feature. This is amazing. The zipper is high quality as well as the padding on the inside. You could put a light bulb in here and throw it and it wouldn't break. This makeup organizer is good for taking on trips, but if you have a lot of makeup and are buying it to put it all in, it's kind of small for that. If you're like me and have had your makeup spread out in boxes in your bathroom, this is the case for you. The color is great. Doesn't look like a worn out black. It's black inside. It's very easy to maneuver and fix products in there, and great overall. This is the easiest way for me to travel with all of the backup supplies it is necessary for me to bring. The biggest drawback is that when you try to rearrange the organizers, they become flimsy and don't always stay in place. This case showed up as a lightning deal and looked like the perfect gift for a teenager with a full obsession with makeup. Okay, fellow makeup heads, this is the real deal. Cost-effective, functional, and enables me to organize makeup on the go. Love this bag and all its compartments. So nice to be able to move and change the size of the compartments. Love it so much. Been looking for a makeup case big enough for the essentials for going out of town and knowing makeup wouldn't break. This saved my bathroom organizing and cleaning. My wife keeps her stuff where it needs to be. All shapes and sizes of everything fits and lasts long. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.